How to fix no service on iPhone. If you are seeing no service on your iPhone, that means your device isn't connected to a mobile network. The very first thing to do in this situation is to restart your iPhone. Simply go ahead and press the power button and slide the power off switch. Make sure to restart your iPhone, and after you are done, go and tap open settings. Select General from the list. Scroll all the way down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now, tap on the Reset button at the bottom of the screen and select Reset Network Settings. Now, once you do that, it'll not only reset your network settings, but also will reset your Wi-Fi networks and passwords. Other mobile data settings and VPN and APN settings that you've used also will be reset. Your mobile network might be connected on your device as soon as you do that. If the problem still persists, you can try updating your iPhone. Open up Settings from the main home page, and then from the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. Now, select Software Update button at the top. Make sure to check for available updates for your operating system. Once your device is up to date, doing this might help you resolve your issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out if your iPhone is going through no service issue. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video again. Goodbye till then.